Hi, in this video I will show you how to start cooking on the Xiaomi Mi Induction Cooker with the preloaded recipes. All you need to do is to open Mi Home app on your smartphone, go to the Mi Induction Cooker settings and then go to the official modes and tap more. And there you can choose which type of dish you want to cook. We can go, for example, for the steak and just tap start now, tap button on the cooker, and now you can cook the perfect steak for the dinner. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.